Welcome back to Zoria's Kitchen, where we turn ordinary moments into extraordinary delights. Today we have a special treat just in time for Valentine's Day, mini cakes. With Valentine's Day right around the corner, what better way to express your love with these delightful mini cakes? They're not just desserts, they're heartfelt gifts for your loved ones. Get ready to indulge in the joy of baking and make this Valentine's Day a memorable one. For this recipe, you will need 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of oil, 2 large eggs, 1.5 cups of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract, 1 cup of milk, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, and 3/4 teaspoon of salt. The first thing you want to do is combine the flour, baking soda, and salt together. Once that's combined, add your powdered sugar and set your bowl aside because it's time to combine the wet ingredients together. Add your milk to a separate bowl and whisk your eggs together before adding them to the milk. Then add your vanilla extract and mix gently, and then add your oil and combine everything. Gradually add your liquid ingredients to the dry ingredients and combine gently. I'm using a handheld whisk, and then I've switched over to a rubber scraper. After everything is combined, pour your cake mix into a 3-inch cake mold and bake in the oven for 15 minutes on 350 degrees. If you don't have a 3-inch cake mold, you can also spread your cake batter onto a flat baking tray and cut circles using a small bowl for the exact 3-inch size measurement. Here's a cool trick. To make chocolate cake using the same batter, all you have to do is add 1 teaspoon of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and 2 tablespoons of sour cream or yogurt. Mix into your vanilla cake mix batter, and if you want to elevate the chocolate flavor even more, you can add 1/4 cup of melted chocolate chips to your cake mix for a more decadent flavor. Once your cakes are fully cooked, put them aside to cool completely. While the cakes are cooling, let's make the Italian buttercream with a few simple ingredients. For the Italian buttercream, you'll need 4 egg whites, 4 sticks of butter room temperature, roughly 450 grams, 1.5 cups of powdered sugar, and 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. In a separate mixing bowl, add your egg whites and your sugar and mix together until everything is combined. Using the double boiler method, which is where we boil water in one pot and place another bowl on top of the boiling water to melt or combine ingredients together. Cook this mixture for 7 minutes on medium-low, making sure to stir every 30 to 40 seconds in between. We want to avoid any egg white clumps or cooking our egg whites. Once the mixture has slightly changed color to white and has a thicker consistency, remove it from the double boiler. Mix on medium to high speed in a standing mixer for 5 to 7 minutes until your egg whites have tripled in size. Then gradually add your sticks of butter to your egg whites, one at a time, and mix for an additional 5 to 6 minutes on medium to high speed. You'll notice your buttercream will go from yellow to white once it's ready. Now we are ready to assemble the cakes. So in 3 separate piping bags, I've added my buttercream. So to make chocolate buttercream, all I've done is I've taken 1/2 cup of melted chocolate, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and 1/2 cup of Italian buttercream and mixed it all together. And there you have it, that's our chocolate buttercream. For the blue buttercream, all I did was add gel food coloring, and for the white buttercream, I'm using a metal piping tip. So the first thing you want to do is add your white buttercream to your cake board and place your first cake round on your cake board. Draw a ring around the cake with your buttercream and add your filling. I'm using dulce de leche. You can use any filling that you'd like. You want to repeat the same steps twice until you don't have any more cake left, and then you want to coat your cake with a thin layer of buttercream using a bench scraper to smoothen out the cake. You can use a turntable to create a smoother rotation. However, I'm using a Lazy Susan flipped upside down to complete this recipe. Now repeat the same steps for the chocolate cake. Draw your outline with buttercream on your cake round, add your filling and spread, place another cake layer on top, smoothen out the cake, and then coat the cake in buttercream. Once your cakes have been smoothened out, let the cakes chill in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes before adding the final coating of buttercream. Once your cakes are chilled, repeat the smoothing out process until you're satisfied with your final look and decorate as you please. I've used fondant decor and edible pearls. but you can decorate it in any way you like. And there you have it. Your beautiful Valentine cakes are ready to go. This is perfect for family, friends, or loved ones. This cake will serve roughly 2 to 4, so it's perfect for an intimate evening or if you want to share it with family and friends. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching.